Easy full body workout that melts body fat at home. Full body training exercises are the key to fat loss. But first off, why are these exercises important? Many people think that the most effective way of shedding fat is to do lots of steady cardio. Sure, you can lose fat, but it isn't the most optimal type of fat loss training. You need exercises that add muscles to your body to boost your metabolism, which then helps burn calories even when you aren't exercising. Full body exercises also target several muscle groups at once, burning more calories and doing it efficiently. Looking for a full body workout that you can easily do at home? Keep on watching. You're probably familiar with most of these exercises like jump rope and push-ups. Plank. A traditional exercise that still works you just as hard. It forces the body to engage several muscle groups simultaneously. With planking, you're mostly working your entire core, which requires endurance. Without it on your back, glutes, and shoulders, the results will be limited. Plus, endurance lets you burn more fat in shorter periods. You may think planks won't do much because you aren't moving, but it's your body that's working incredibly hard to hold its weight. Push-ups. Another simple exercise that can be done anywhere and anytime are push-ups. Works mostly to engage your entire upper body. Push-ups target your chest, arms, back, and core. The more muscle you're activating altogether, the more fat your body can burn. It may be one of those old-fashioned exercises, but there's a reason why it is still widely used these days. After all, just like the saying goes, it's old but gold. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are a quick exercise that engages your arms and core. It targets the fat in your lower abs, which is one of the hardest body areas to get rid of fat. Also, this exercise targets that hard area of fat while engaging your arms and chest. Plus, it's also a good boost in fitness. That's because it lets your lungs expand, letting in more air, which in turn helps you have more efficient workouts. Jumping rope. We get it, it's something you often see children do in the streets. Regardless of the age, jumping rope helps you drop some pounds. You could be placing tons of stress on your lower joints, but it's less intense than running. Not to mention, the jumping rope helps you burn calories more rapidly. Aside from working your calves and your leg muscles, you're also engaging your upper body, especially when executed properly. Jumping jacks. Jumping jacks are commonly done in PE classes. Still, it's a very beneficial full-body exercise when it comes to fat burning. This exercise elevates your heart rate, thus boosting your metabolism. When this happens, your body is compelled to work harder. Jumping jacks also work all your body muscles, helping them get stronger. And the stronger they get, the bigger they also become. Pushing your muscles to grow is also forcing your body to burn the fat near those muscles.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel.